As we speak, AI is creating a new class of millionaires. And it's not just coders or Silicon Valley insiders, it's regular people who know how to think like startup founders.
For decades, success was a staircase. Today, it's an elevator, and AI decides who gets inside.
I have served as a CEO, board member, and investor at tech companies worth billions. And here's what most people misunderstand. In 2026, becoming a millionaire with AI is not about thinking in straight lines. It's about building loops.
The old world rewarded patience, linear progress, and long-term plans that took years to pay off. But AI flipped the system without asking for permission. Now, the economy runs on exponential growth and self-improving systems. Two things the human brain is terrible at understanding. That's why ordinary people who think like founders suddenly outrun entire industries. They're not working harder. They're riding loops that compound faster than effort ever could.
That let you outlearn and outpace everyone else, so your wealth can actually compound. But before we dive into these loops, you need to know the world that will create your seven-figure net worth. There is a massive financial shift happening in the market, and our brains aren't ready for it. There are two things human brains.
Once you see this shift, the only question left is how fast you can move before the elevator doors close.
Are never able to grasp. One is exponential growth, and second is self-improving systems. Now, they're both interconnected, but in 2026, the entire economy will migrate to these two ideas simultaneously. ChatGPT reached 100 million users in 60 days.
Once people realize the world is moving exponentially, most rush to build something, anything. But the people who actually win pause for one critical question: why should they win? They understand that speed only works when it's paired with leverage. Without leverage, fast just means fragile.
And it was faster than any app in the history of tech. And then came Sora 2, OpenAI's video tool, and it got to 1 million downloads faster than ChatGPT. And it's not just tools, it's happening to AI companies.
Quick pause here. If what I'm sharing is making sense and you're thinking, okay, but how does this actually work in a real system? I've put together a free training that walks through the exact structure and process we use. It's not theory, it's a behind-the-scenes walkthrough of how the system is set up, how the pieces fit together, and how most of the heavy lifting is already handled, so you're not starting from zero. If you want to see how it's structured and decide for yourself if it's a good fit, the link is in the description. All right, let's jump back in.
Startups like Cursor and Perplexity are reaching $100 million in revenue in 12 to 18 months. The world we live in is all about fast feedback loops, and they're showing up everywhere. In coding, in capital, in career, in companies. This is how the best.
And that's where the real balancing act begins.
One, the balance loop. Running any AI business in 2026 that can generate millions for you is not about work-life balance. It's about balancing on a tightrope between two opposite forces, your asymmetric advantage and your customer's acute pain. Let's look at the first force. I know an investment banker who spent 20 years and he closed more than 100 deals. Last year he was laid off.
The winners balance two forces: their unfair advantage and a painful problem someone urgently wants solved. If you build only around your strength, you get clever ideas nobody pays for. If you chase only pain without an edge, you enter brutal markets where you're instantly replaceable. The sweet spot is where your experience meets someone else's frustration.
AI. So he raised a little capital, told his network he was looking to buy businesses, and then evaluated hundreds of businesses really quickly and found a small company in a very narrow niche, insurance claims processing. He bought that company, infused AI into every workflow and processes, and the company took off. Now, doing the due diligence and picking the right business model.
But even the perfect balance starts with assumptions, and assumptions are dangerous if left untested.
So your advantage and their pain define the forces you have to balance. So how do you keep your balance when you're walking that tightrope? Assumption testing. Ask constantly, what am I assuming? And what's the fastest way to validate my biggest assumptions? Because that's where the risks are. Every idea is an untested belief.
Most people fall in love with ideas instead of questioning them. They assume customers will care, assume people will pay, assume the market will understand. In the old world, testing those assumptions took months. With AI, you can validate them in hours. The winners aren't smarter. They just find out what's wrong faster and fix it before launch.
But today with AI, you can test in hours instead of months. And that's why this balancing act becomes a constant loop. You lean to your right a little bit, then you have to lean to your left a little bit. But as long as you're staying on the tightrope, life is good. Asymmetric advantage, acute pain, assumption testing, balance loop activated. That's how you go from interesting to indispensable. This is where your money curve also starts bending upwards. You're not a generic Me Too company.
And once you can learn that fast, the next advantage is turning learning into money.
Where to look? Loop number 2, the speed to revenue loop. Cursor is a platform that lets developers code with AI. They went from 0 to 100 million in the first 18 months, and then 100 to 500 million a year later. Fastest growth in enterprise software history ever. Millions of programmers now use it daily. Even OpenAI uses Cursor to build its own software.
In 2026, waiting 6 months to launch is the same as standing still. The fastest growing AI businesses don't plan endlessly. They ship, learn, and upgrade in public. Every launch creates feedback. Every mistake creates clarity. And clarity compounds into revenue.
So how did Cursor grow so fast in the midst of such a terrible red ocean full of sharks? They focused on one thing: speed. Cursor ships new features every single day. In the old world, that would be a suicide. That would be seen as reckless. Software features were bunched up in a big fat release every 6 to 9 months.
But speed alone isn't enough, because when everything moves fast, only conviction survives.
There is a popular myth, a piece of advice that a lot of new founders get from board members and VCs. They hear stuff like, oh, hire the best people and get out of their way. And I shake my head in disbelief every time I hear it, because in 2026, if you are an AI native founder, this advice will be completely fatal for you.
This is where most people disappear. They launch fast, hit resistance, and start looking for shortcuts. But AI businesses aren't static products. They're living systems. The founders who win stay close, sweat details, learn from failure, and turn effort into wisdom. And wisdom compounds longer than money ever will.
Because your job is not to delegate and disappear, especially when you're in a startup phase. Your job is to sweat every single detail. Because an AI product is not like a static piece of software or service that you can build and ship out and wash your hands until the next release that comes 9 months later. That is the life of a founder.
Because in the end, it's not just about what you build with AI, it's about who you become while running the loop. If you like this video, gently hit the like button. If you dislike this video, then share with your friends and family. Because whether you liked it or not, it could be helpful to your friends and family and your social media contact. And if you think we are doing our best to try and explain to you how you can change your life, and you want to watch the next video, then make sure you subscribe to our channel and switch on the notification bell button. And make sure you ask your friends and family and social media contacts to subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button as well. This way, you will help us get 10,000 subscribers in next 3 months. To learn more money techniques, watch these videos, and we will see you on the next one.